What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis coming from Squeaky Clean here in Columbia, South Carolina. I just wanted to put a video out real quick, and I'll probably put another one out after this one. But this one is about, I am on my way to, well, I've actually just arrived, and I'm about 10 minutes early to a walkthrough that I got from my cold caller, virtual assistant cold caller. Nope. Disregard. I got this one from my email marketing or email campaign. This is a gentleman I spoke about last time that called me from after receiving my email, and he reached out to me because he wasn't happy with his cleaning company. So now I'm here. But what I wanted to kind of make this video for is that I've been doing this for a little while, about 4 years, and for the new people that are just going on their cold calls and stuff like that, their walkthroughs, I'm sorry, they haven't been there and they haven't been through a lot. I still get nervous. I still get little butterflies. I'm still like, okay, all right, do I have everything that I need? Am I ready to go? What do I ask? What do I say? And like I always say, is just let them do the talking. Just, facilitate more conversation, but let them do a majority of the talking with each area that you go to in the facility. If they already have a cleaner that they aren't happy with, find out, what do you want in this area? What is your expectations? How do you want it to look? What is it that they're not doing, or what pain points do they have? What is it that's causing you to talk to me even though you have a cleaner already? So you want to find out what their pain points are. So learn how to facilitate those conversations. Don't go in there bashing, the current cleaner or anything like that. Now, if they ask you your opinion, because I've had situations where they'll say, well, what do you see in here? Or what do you notice in this area? And they are basically looking for confirmation that what they are having issues with is something that's noticeable. So, then you can say something, but I don't normally just go out and say, well, they didn't do this, they didn't do that, unless they open the door for me to do that. The goal is to show them why we are the best company for them to clean their facility and to make it an environment that's, cohesive and comfortable and clean and sanitized for their workers and for their clients. So make sure that you're going in there with that kind of mindset. Another thing that I do, I make sure I have my trusty dandy measurer. This is the one that you get in CBN. This is the one that I purchased personally, but it does the same thing. Make sure you have that. Make sure it's charged. Another thing I use is my iPad. My iPad I can take notes on. I can also, and I think I forgot my pen. Well, I'll just record it. I'll use my iPad to record, or I use my phone to record, take notes. Definitely use the Clean Biz Network walkthrough template. You can put in all the information. The way that I do it is I go through and I record the walkthroughs, and I go back and I put it in afterwards. That way I'm not missing out on taking the time to kind of put in information and not listening to what the client is saying. That's just my technique. It's better if you have more than one person doing a walkthrough with you. That kind of helps out with, talking to the potential client, and also getting the information like pictures, measurements, and all that other stuff. So 2 is better than 1 when it comes to doing the walkthrough, so that, nothing is really missed, and then also recorded as much as possible. That being said, I have to get ready to walk in here and try to get this account. So wish me luck. You guys keep grinding.